Hello everyone, I am Samisha. Today I am sharing some information about Valley of Flowers National Park. Its location is Uttarakhand, India, part of Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park. Its criteria is natural, inscription 1988, 12th session, extension 2005, area 8750 ha, 33.8 square mm. Nanda Devi National Park Reserve is in the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve. The park is open only during summer from June to October and it is covered by heavy snow for the rest of the year. History 1868, the Pushpavati Valley was discovered by Cole Edmund Smith. In 1931, the valley visited by the climber Frank S. Smith, who wrote a book publishing The Valley of Flowers. In 1934, the Upper Nanda Devi Sanctuary was reached and described by mountaineers Eric Shipton and Bill Tillman. In 1938, mountaineers Bill Tillman and Noel Odell climbed Nanda Devi. In 1939, the basin established as the Nanda Devi Game Sanctuary by government order. In 1493, XIV 28 of 701. In 1962, borders district closed the area to traffic, altering the local economy. In 1974 to 82, the sanctuary was open to mountaineering, but the ensuing degradation led to its closure to all users. In 1980, the park was established as Sanjay Gandhi National Park by notification 3912 XIV 33580. Grazing and mountaineering stopped. In 1982, the park was renamed Nanda Devi National Park. In 1988, the Nanda Devi National Park Biosphere Reserve established 223,674 ha with National Park as core zone 62,462 ha and a 514,857 ha buffer area surrounding both sites. Restrictions were imposed on the rights of nearby villagers. In 2000, the Biosphere Reserve extended by the government to 586069 ha and the Valley of Flowers National Park was added as the second code zone 62,463 ha plus 8,750 ha, totaling core areas of 71,212 ha. In 2004, the two code zones and buffer zone designed to a UNESCO MAB reserve. This is the picture of Valley of Flowers, Seat Lake in left hand side and valley in front, and next is one of the streams that cuts the creek route. Ecology. Flowers. The flowers were surveyed and inventoried in 1987 by the Botanical Survey of India, in 1992 by the Forest Research Institute, and in 1997 by the Wildlife Institute of India, which found 5 species new to science. Flowers mostly orchids, poppies, primulus, marigold, daisies, and anemones carpet the ground. Subalpine forest of birch and rhododendron cover parts of the park's area. This is the picture of multi-storied flowers, Morena longifolia. A decade-long study by C.P. Kala from 1993 onwards concludes that the Valley of Flowers is endowed with 520 species of higher plants, angiosperms, gymnosperms, and petalodophytes. Of these, 498 are flowering plants. The park has many species of medicinal plants, including Dichlorohategeria, Picrohiza, Curoia, Aconitum violiacum, Polygonatum, Multiflorum, Fritillaria royale, and Podiphyllum hexandrum. This is the picture of Morning Dew on a pink flower, Chernanium sp. This is the picture of Himalayan Blaefern, Campanilla latifolia. Species diversity. The density of wild animals in the valley is not high, but all the animals found are rare or endangered. Prior to 2004, a total 30 species of mammals are recorded for the park by C.P. Kala and its vicinity, although only he cited 90 species directly. Northern Plains grey langur, Simonopithecus entellus, red giant flying squirrel, Petarista, Himalayan black bear, Ursus thymbatinus, VU, red fox, Viluses vilus, Himalayan vessel, Mostula sibirica, and Himalayan yellow threatened martes, Flavigula, Himalayan gloral, Ne Moripregloral, Himalayan musk deer, Moschus lycogaster, Indian spotted chevrolet, Moschilio indica, Himalayan tahr, Himatragus, Gimalichus vu, and Cerro capricornis, Sumatranis vu. The tahar is common. The Sirugoral musk deer and Bharal blue ships are rare. Reptiles. Among the reptiles most often seen are high-altitude lizard, Agma tuberculata, Himalayan ground skin, Leopisma, Himalayan and Himalayan pit viper, Gloedes himalayanus. Among the reptiles most often seen are the high-altitude lizard, Agma tuberculata, ground skin, Leopisma, Himalayan and Himalayan pit viper, Gloedes himalayanus. A few of more species are lime butterfly, Papilio neodymium, common yellow Papilio mechon, common moral Papilio polydestromus, sponge Papilio protentum, common blue Apolloporins, Hadwicki. Birds. The area is within the West Himalayan endemic birds are area, but there have been no survey species to the valley. 140 species were seen in 1990 in Nanda Devi Park. Species frequently seen in the valley include Lamarger, Gypaetus barbatus, Himalayan vulture, Gypaetus himalayas, yellow-bill and red-billed chops, Pyrrhocorax graculus and P. Pyrrhocorax cocolas pheasant, Fucracia macrophola, the nationally latest Himalayan monal pheasant, Laphrorus hemipigeons found in rhododendron thickets, scaly bill and yellow-pen woodpeckers, pickles, Scamata and P. flavincia, great and blue-throated barbets, Megalemia virex and M. asiatica, snow pigeon, Columba, Lenocota and spotted dove, Stimutopia chinesis. Thank you.